Business credit versus personal credit. Build and protect both. Yo, entrepreneurs, Lawrence here. Listen up, because I'm about to drop some knowledge that's crucial to your success in the business world. We're talking about credit, but not just the kind you use for personal expenses. Understanding the distinction between personal and business credit is key to unlocking financial freedom and taking your business to the next level. You wouldn't believe how many entrepreneurs I've seen make critical mistakes because they didn't understand this. They mixed their personal and business finances, putting their hard-earned money at risk. Trust me, you don't want to go down that road. That's why I'm breaking it down for you today. We're comparing the differences between personal and business credit, how to build both strategically and how to leverage them to fuel your entrepreneurial dreams. Let's get down to business. What is personal credit? All right, let's start with the basics. Personal credit. This is the foundation of your financial reputation as an individual. It reflects your track record of managing debts, like those credit card bills, car payments, or that mortgage you might have. Your personal credit score is like your financial GPA, and lenders use it to gauge your trustworthiness. A higher score means you're more likely to repay your debts on time, making you a less risky borrower. Now, your personal credit is linked to your social security number, and it's tracked by those big credit bureaus you've probably heard of: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They keep tabs on your credit history, like how much debt you have, whether you pay your bills on time, and how long you've been using credit. This information is then used to calculate your credit score. Remember, your personal credit history follows you wherever you go. It can impact your ability to rent an apartment, secure a loan, and even land certain jobs. So it's crucial to build and maintain a good one. What is business credit? Now let's talk about business credit. This is where things get really interesting for entrepreneurs. Just like your personal credit, business credit is a reflection of your company's financial health and trustworthiness. Think of it as your company's financial reputation in the business world. It tells lenders, suppliers, and potential investors how responsible your business is with money. Business credit is tied to your employer identification number, EIN, which is like your business's social security number. It's tracked by commercial credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, the Small Business Financial Exchange, or SBFE, Credit Safe, and Equifax Business. These bureaus collect data on your business's payment history, outstanding debts, credit utilization, and other financial behaviors. This information is used to generate your business credit report and score. A strong business credit score can open doors to better loan terms, higher credit limits, and even more favorable deals with suppliers. It shows the world that your business is financially stable and reliable. Here's where many entrepreneurs get tripped up understanding the key differences between personal and business credit. First off, the identification. Personal credit uses your social security number. Business credit uses your employer identification number. Second, the usage. Personal credit is for your individual expenses, while business credit is strictly for company-related expenses. Keep those lines separate. Third, the credit bureaus. Personal credit is reported to consumer bureaus, while business credit is reported to commercial bureaus. Fourth, legal protections. Your personal credit has more legal protections under laws like the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Business credit, unfortunately, has fewer protections. Finally, the impact. While both types of credit are important, Business credit directly affects your company's ability to secure financing, get better insurance rates, and even negotiate favorable payment terms with suppliers. Listen up, because I'm about to give you the playbook for building a solid personal credit history. First things first, open a credit account. Check the links in the description for starter credit card offers. Start with a secured credit card or a credit builder loan to establish a positive track record. Second, and I can't stress this enough, always pay your bills on time. Payment history is a major factor in your credit score, so don't mess around with late payments. Third, keep an eye on your credit utilization. This is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit. Aim to keep it below 30%. Fourth, diversify your credit mix. Having a mix of credit types like credit cards and installment loans can actually boost your score. Finally, be proactive and monitor your credit. Regularly check your credit reports for errors and dispute any inaccuracies immediately. Now let's talk about building that business credit muscle. First and foremost, establish your business officially. Form a legal business entity like an LLC or corporation and get your employer identification number from the IRS. Next, open a dedicated business bank account. Like, keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. This is non-negotiable. Third, register your business with the major credit bureaus. Apply for a DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet to get the ball rolling. Fourth, start building that business credit history by obtaining business credit cards and establishing trade lines with vendors who report to business credit bureaus. Fifth, just like with personal credit, prioritize on-time payments. Make it a habit to pay your business bills promptly. Finally, stay informed and monitor your business credit reports regularly. Make sure the information is accurate and address any issues promptly. Look, I've been in the business game for a long time, and I can tell you firsthand that building and maintaining both personal and business credit is essential for financial empowerment and long-term success. It's not just about getting loans, it's about creating a solid foundation for your future. If you're ready to take control of your credit endeavors and unlock your full potential as an entrepreneur, DSI is here to guide you every step of the way. Our team of experts can help you establish and improve both your personal and business credit profiles. Don't wait. Take action today. Visit the links in the description to learn more about DSI and how we can help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, your credit is your power. Use it wisely.